Now, investors is taken to on-the-run bonds with emphasis on 2028 and 2049 papers. Traders at Axis Bank say market players' attention is fixed on today's CBN's bi-weekly retail SMIS auction, which will drive minimal activities. Franklin Ebomah, member of Treasury Coverage at Axis Bank, joins me now for more market updates. Franklin, thank you so much for joining us. Before we get into the day's activities and all of those, let's just have an overview of the market pattern we've seen play out this week from Monday up until now. It's been quite an interesting set of days.
Yes, it has. Good afternoon, David. Thank you for having me. So what we observed was that market on Monday opened at elevated levels with system liquidity closing with a credit balance of 450 billion. And this trend continued. This liquidity strengthened on Tuesday with swap maturities and homo maturities coming into the system. However, on Wednesday, we saw liquidity thin out as market participants were debited for their winning against the bond auction to the tune of about 770 billion. Right, so and this basically took most of the liquidity in the system. So by Thursday, we saw liquidity open around 88 billion. Consequently, we saw overnight rates and OPR rates trade around the 15 and 16% handle. So that's what has basically happened in the market this week.
And also talking about the bi-weekly retail SMIS auction as well, how much of liquidity do you see this injecting into the system?
It's more of not liquidity necessarily injecting into the system, but taking out of the system. Right?
Taking out of the system, I beg your pardon.
Yeah. So currently now the market is thin, so most funding attention will be focused on the retail bi-weekly option, which CBN does every other week. So we would expect to see rates inch up as banks and participants try to fund for this auction.
Okay, and expectations for next week?
Well, we expect the liquidity we expect trading activities generally to come up midweek with FAC flows, and I think there's a swap maturities coming into the system. So with those, we expect that would drive trading activities all through. But rates moving around these levels, generally speaking.
And looking at the currency market as well, we are still expecting to see the NAFEX rate still hover around 460 Naira for today to close the week, isn't it?
Yeah, correct.
Thank you so much for speaking with us, Franklin. It's been a pleasure speaking with you.